Okay, so pretty nice day out today. Got the trusses all cut and they're hauled up. Just gonna have to build a jig and put them together. Before I do that, I'm gonna put the top plates up. Just another row of 2x4s around the outside that kind of cross links with the plates on the wall so that it gives it some structure. So I'm gonna do that first, and then I'll do the jig and hopefully get. So it looks like the water sealant is dried. It didn't really cover the whole floor. We put a ton of it on. I'm not sure what happened, but we came up earlier and it had water pooling on it, so we know it's working. I just don't really know what happened here, but whatever, it is the way it is. Maybe it rained a little bit right after we applied it, so yeah. Another news, let's get this top plate up. So we have our top plates for our walls here. We just want to make sure we overlap where they intersect. So the second top plate will intersect right here. So I'll put this guy over, and that'll just give the wall a little bit more strength. Might have to trim this down a bit, but yeah, that's pretty much it right there. Top plate number 2 fits good. Look at that. Okay, got these two up. Just 2x4x8s. I'm just gonna cut this one and trim it up, and then they'll just kind of butt ends here. Look at that. Daddy-o! How's it going? What's that? I can't hear you, hold on. Plates are on, yeah. Plates are looking good. I just had to cut and then join them there. Is that okay? Yeah. Okay. Yep. And then how far along do I screw them?
Oh, every 2 feet.
Okay. And do I have to do both so they don't cup?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you do that?
I did.
Oh, you just do it?
I kind of did, like every stud I went on one side and then the next stud I went on the other side.
That's
so
right.
It's kind of, yeah, okay.
So you're still finishing that up then?
Almost done, yeah. I just have to screw this, throw some more screws in that one, and I'm done.
Okay, I'm going to start working on the cap real quick.
Okay.
This is the middle.
Okay, you're right, we have enough room.
Thanks and appreciation for your 4147. This is 57 5/8.
That's exactly what this one's going to be, because I wrote the thing down.
Okay, let's keep this right here.
.57 and yeah, pretty much. It's like at a half or 5/8. It depends on where the.
All right, put a plate in. Anyway, okay, I appreciate the call back. It's gonna fit.
Yeah.
No sweat.
So let's build the jig now then.
Let's do it.
Okay, I'll grab a bunch of scraps. You stay right there.
Yeah.
Oops. Good shot.
Yeah. Do that again.
You got to push it against the.
Let me see if I can.
Go.
So I want
Hey.
this right there against the bottom of that, like that.
Here.
On this side.
Okay.
One more. This one. Same problem. Got the plate up there. So I wonder if we should.
Couldn't we just do the top a little bit to the side? Kind of.
Let's see if we're gonna do this. This is gonna go here. So, yeah, put it down there. Where's the plate? Grab a plate. Just grab one of those. We might have to put it down to get plates. Yeah, just put it down there. Hammer it in. Right there.
Okay.
I'm gonna cut these two off. We'll put the first three. We'll let off of 3 of these.
You want?
Are you ready, Freddie?
I'm ready.
Which side do we want out? We want this side out.
Okay.
This side in, because this is made to be flush already. So.
Yeah.
Okay, so just flop it down there. Okay. Now you can dump it and stick it. We'll just stick it.
Hold on. Hold on, Dad. Let me reposition it. Oh, I don't have the power to.
Can you push it heavy?
Nice. That's it. Is it like that? Side needs to be out? Huh?
That's the outside.
Okay. Perfect. So like that. It needs to stand up like this.
I want the plate outside so we don't have to deal with them.
Okay, can you hold this for a sec?
Just a sec.
I just gotta. Okay. There we go.
Okay. A little more. Oh, that's about it for there. Hang on a second. Could you kind of scoot down there and see
Let me
how
get on the other
it's
side, yeah.
overhang or
Can you
not?
hold that? Okay.
Get a picture of this?
Yeah, I'm getting them right now. Very exciting.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we got an overhang. It's about 1 inch.
Wow, it's hanging over an inch?
Yeah.
What
The
piece?
2x4 is.
Yeah, how's that?
And that's about a quarter or half an inch.
So what I'm
Or sorry, a quarter of an inch.
It's about mine. Okay,
Yeah.
hang on. That's what we're going with.
Okay. Okay, I'll start on truss number 3.
Okay.
We are. Oh, look at that. 2 trusses up, looking good. Okay, putting a string up.
String line.
String line. Make sure all the peaks are straight.
Yeah, the peaks have to line up.
Something I would not have thought to do. And that peak does not line up.
Of course, this isn't very. I can't put a lot of pressure on this. I'd pull this over.
Not as taut as it could be.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't want to pull this over. Oh, shit. All right.
It definitely needs to go over though.
I think so,
For
yeah.
sure.
Why don't we, before we finish that, let's get that one lined up.
Okay.
And then we'll do the next one.
Yeah, I'll just wait till you're on the other side here.
Peak to peak. We want these peaks to line up.
Okay, that looks pretty good. Oh, too much.
I've got about 1/2 inch on this side.
A little bit more. A little bit more. That's probably
No,
good there.
I don't know. Do we sure this walls are straight and not bowed out in the middle?
I don't know. We measured only this end and that end.
Well, we have to measure the ends. Hang on. We need to measure in the middle.
Okay.
Okay, what do we have for the end?
Okay. So we got 96.5 now. Are you, where are you at?
Yeah, no, I'm not on that plywood. No,
Okay. Yeah, that's about 97.5.
so
Okay, so that's 97.5, yeah. Oh.
What's the other two?
96 and
Which end?
that side is 96.5, that side's 96 and 15, 16, 97 pretty much. Yeah.
Okay, so what are the, give me the other measurements. What's that in there, the left?
So the right side is 96 and 15 sixteenths of an inch.
We'll call it 97.
97, and that's 96.5.
So we're gonna have to come in. It should be
Sorry.
96.5 and 97. So it should be, you know, we could probably live with 97. It's only out a quarter.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the level on.
What's the bad thing that happens if you don't worry about it, or if you?
When you're putting stuff like cupboards or anything on, it's not
Oh,
gonna
I see.
be flush. It's gonna be. It wouldn't take much. I could just put a 2x4. Let me just grab a level real quick. You go ahead and start. Do that.
Okay.
I can see, I can see the swamp out that way.
Yeah. I should get up a little bit higher. Oh. Yeah, get these trees down.
Yeah.
Way better. Okay. Well, what did we do?
Nothing.
Oh. Where did this come from then?
What?
This roof.
Oh, we did the roof.
Yeah.
We did the roof.
That looks good.
Okay, let's put our tools away. Let's get out of here.
Okay.
It is 9 o'clock.
What are these called?
These are just cross
Blockings.
blocking. Cross blocking for
Screwed them in
just
from the ends.
it,
Stiffens up the whole. Oh yeah, that is solid. Jeez. Okay. What are we doing tomorrow?
we are going to put the hangers on and we're going to put the lookouts on.
Okay. Hangers and lookouts.